Hi, welcome back everybody. Today is project party day and I'm so excited. We are going to be doing some wallpaper tear down. We're also going to be moving a lot of furniture from the house into the garage. Some of the furniture that was left here by the owner. And then a few other miscellaneous tasks that Jeffrey and I have come up with. So let's go. Here's some of the stuff in the living room that we had people move out on our project party day. It was taking up a lot of space and we just needed it gone. All right, let's see it. Whoa! That's like every layer combined. Right? That's thick. Okay, so tell me your name.
Hello, my name is Liv.
Well, my name is John. I am just an ordinary grandpa to Amanda.
I'm Barbara.
My name's Melissa. I gave birth to you. I'm Cheryl. I am Amanda's grandma, and Jeffrey is my grandson-in-law.
My name is Luke, and I am the proud father of Amanda.
Are you really that proud?
Most of the time.
What is the max number of wallpaper layers do you think we're gonna find today in one section?
It was like that thick. What would that be? 8 layers, 9 layers? It was a lot. Today, let me see, 5. From what we found the other day, I would say somewhere between 9 and 12.
I honestly don't know, and I'd like to stay away from wallpaper as much as possible. My guess is maybe 6 or 7.
A solid 7.
Solid 7.
Yeah, solid 7.
I'll start out and say too many, but then we'll narrow it down to more than 1, but less than 8. So I pick 7.
What date do you think Jeffrey and I will be moved into this house by?
Oh, I'm an optimistic sort. June 1st.
I'm anticipating June 15. That's 3 days before my parents' 50th anniversary.
Soon, but to be specific, sometime before December 12th, 2026.
I have high hopes for y'all. I'm gonna say June 26th.
I think you'll probably move in by June 18th.
Solid guess. All right, so we are mid-project right now. As you can see behind me, we have made a lot of progress on the walls. We also have some very satisfying moments, such as taking wallpaper off by on the ceiling. So let's tear it down.
Amanda, we don't throw rough.
We don't throw rough. If you know, you know.
We don't throw rough.
We don't throw ropes?
We have made a lot of progress in the living room. As you can see, it's so much more open than it was before. We also have some outlets, which weren't here this morning. So Jeffrey's working on the 4th outlet for this room right now. But it just feels so open without all of the furniture in the middle of the room. And then we also did some mudding of the plaster to fill in any of the cracks. So there used to be a really, really big crack up here. But now those are all covered, and so it'll be much, much easier to paint later. This, I think, is the only room in the house that does not have any wallpaper, which this makes it my favorite room right now. But you can see the progress that we have done so far. So here's our tool room, and so we still have to tear down all this wallpaper. Just look at that site. Just compare it to how it used to look from this angle. Crazy. Anyways, we are going to clean all of this up, but we will see you all in the next video. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.
It kind of looks like the room they hide children in after they've abducted them.
Oh, hi.
And I'd like to stay away from wallpaper as much as possible. My guess is maybe 6 or 7.
No.
6, 7.
There's a torture chamber behind me.
This is a torture chamber behind you?
It feels like it. Like, this is like prisoner videos are made for these backgrounds.
Yay!